everyone. This is another snippet from Advanced Rheumatology. With me today, as it is Therapy Thursday, is the newest member of the rheumatology family here. This is 8-week-old Stella. Say hello, Stella. She is a Weimaraner, and she is here to visit on Therapy Thursday. The entire staff is just enjoying her so much. On Thursdays, if you happen to come in for an infusion or an appointment, you may find one of our family therapy dogs here visiting for the day. We provide them with toys and a bed. This little baby right here is teething, and she just woke up from a nap. And we just love having the therapy dogs visit us. Dr. Stupai enjoys it so much. And when you're here, look at our ARC pets wall, and you can meet all of the wonderful pets, dogs and cats, that belong to the employees here. So once again, thank you for joining us for a snippet. Stay tuned. And don't forget to give these guys all the love that they give you. Right? Right.